Hello students, today we are going to solve fifth problem of aggregate. Question is given as an aggregate is said to be flaky if its least dimension is less than 2/3 of mean dimension, half of mean dimension, 3/5 of mean dimension and 3/4 of mean dimension. Now the aggregate is said to be flaky when its least dimension is less than 3/5 or 60% of its mean dimension. So option C is the correct answer for this question. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.